Hello everyone, if you have not watched my first video, then go and watch my first video on 1-point perspective. In this video, I am sharing with you some basic tips and tricks that can improve your 1-point perspective. First, let's recap this video. In this video, I teach about horizon line, vanishing line and vanishing point. After this, you will be able to draw 3D square. Yes, you are right. We will draw a square. Is this correct? Okay, next shape. I don't know the name of this shape. It's look like furniture. The same value apply. You can draw random shape and connect this corner with vanishing point. This training will improve your skill. Now after that, I draw this. The same thing apply here. I don't know what this is, but I connect this corner with vanishing point. Look at this. It's look like MAC. You may be wondering how I can apply this in real life. I'm working on this video. You wait some few days and enjoy the process. After that, I draw plus sign. I know this. If I draw plus, then I connect this corner with vanishing point. Look at this. This give me 3D view. You must be thinking that video is over. Yes bro. I don't want you to watch a long lecture. This is why making it in a small part.